Hello, little bees. Tonight, we are going to take a journey through a rainbow. Let's begin. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Wonderful. Imagine a beautiful rainbow stretching across the sky. The first color is red. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. The red color helps your body feel strong and safe. Now orange. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Orange feels warm and cozy. Now yellow. Breathe in and breathe out. Yellow feels happy and bright. Now green. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. Green feels peaceful like grass and trees. Now blue. Breathe in and breathe out. Blue feels calm like the sky. Now purple. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. Purple feels dreamy and magical. The rainbow glows softly around you, each color helping your body relax, helping your heart feel calm, helping your mind feel quiet. Take one final rainbow breath. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. The rainbow smiles, the stars twinkle, and your body feels sleepy. Good night, little bees. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. Good night.